teachers, and my dear friends. This is Bruce Hongkong of Class 10A with the latest news headlines. Manipur's Loni district imposes urban ban to protect endangered Amur falcons. Manipur students' body condemns MPSC for unprecedented negligence in civil services means demands accountability. PM Modi lends Bhutanese leadership for welcome accorded to Buddha's relics from India. Iran faces unprecedented drought with rainfall at record lows and reservoirs nearly empty. In sports, FIFA President Infantino announces new Asian Cup tournament for Southeast Asian nations. Thank you.
Good morning, Principal Maharaj, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Adhikari Abu Sharma of Class 10A. Today, I'm going to say a few words about National Education Day. National Education Day is observed every year on 11th November. This day marks the birth anniversary of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, the first education minister of independent India. He was not only a great freedom fighter but also a visionary who believed that education is the most powerful tool for nation development. Maulana Azad played a key role in establishing important educational institutions such as the IITs, UGC, and AICTE, which continue to shape India's progress even today. He believed that education should reach every child regardless of caste, religion, or gender. National Education Day reminds us of the importance of learning, not just for exams but for building character. Knowledge and wisdom inspires us to be curious, to think critically, and to use education as a means to create a better and more equal society. Let us take this opportunity to pledge that we will make the best use of the education we receive and contribute to the growth of our nation. Thank you.
Assembly, attention! Positive thoughts. Please repeat after me. I am always happy. I am calm and stable in every situation. My memory and concentration are excellent. I eat healthy food. My body is perfect and disease free. I use gadgets only for studying. I respect everyone. I respect nature. I shall maintain discipline in and out of school. I shall stand up against bullying and injustice. I shall take care of school property and not damage it. We shall stay away from drugs and other harmful substances. Thank you.